And we are happy to present Sedalia with both halves of the 150th Sesquicentennial banner. Thanks for coming out.
Sedalia, in its 150 years, has had 47 mayors. And the first one, of course, was none other than George R. Smith himself. Who else would dare have been our first mayor? Over the years, we've had a successive number of very competent individuals, and we had a few that historians claim should have been locked up. But overall, they did a very good job in nurturing this city and administering the city. Sedalia's Sesquicentennial mayor, Elaine Horn.
We have had, as Ken said, a tremendous past. We have a tremendous and amazing present. I'm so privileged and honored to be a part of it and to have each and every one of you here being a part of it. The citizens of Sedalia, Missouri, and distinguished guests have gathered here today to officially begin Sedalia, Missouri's 150th anniversary celebration for the entire year of 2010.
It's going to be a big piece of it.
I'm home in Missouri. There are rivers that run majestically. The heart of America, a land of history. Oh, Missouri, I hear you calling me. I hear you calling me.